สวัสดีทุกคนพบข้าพเจ้าตามเคยแซงคาร์มิวิงเลสมินี่คอยจะมาพาทุกคนมาทดสอบภาษาอังกฤษอยู่ต่างประเทศก็คืออยู่เวียดนามนั่นเองคือมหาลัยที่คอยมาเนี่ยก็คือมันมีชื่อว่า Thai Medical University เป็นมหาลัยการแพทย์ชื่อดังอยู่ทางภาคเหนือของเวียดนามก็ถ้าเทียบใส่ถ้าว่าเอามาเปรียบเทียบเฉพาะโรงเรียนแพทย์ก็จะอยู่ในระดับ3เนาะคืออยู่ในโรงเรียนหลังนี้มันจะมีนักเรียนสักประมาณ 6-7,000 คนมีนักเรียนมาจาก4ประเทศก็คือหลักๆเป็นเวียดนามลาวและกัมพูชาและก็โมซัมบิกจากประเทศแอฟริกาถ้าเป็นโรงเรียนระดับนี้แล้วทุกคนก็สงสัยว่าพวกเขาจะว่าภาษาอังกฤษเก่งบ่อย่าพูดก็ต้อง let's go so first of all let me know a little bit about yourself
Hello guys, I'm Huang and
Yeah.
I'm now the 4th year student and my major is pharmacy.
I am Phan Đắc Bình. That
Yeah.
is my full name. I am in my 5th year at the university, this medical university.
yeah
Hey, I'm Lam and
Yeah.
I'm third year student.
yeah
Yeah, my major is pharmacies.
pharmacy yeah
Yes.
Hi, my name
Okay.
is Mai Anh. I'm 23 years old. I'm
Yeah.
come from Thanh Hóa. My major is general medicine.
general medicine yeah
My name is Links and
Yeah.
I come from K48B, come from TBUMP.
pharmacy so
pharmacy.
why did you choose pharmacy
It's just coincidence. Like when I choose the major to study,
yeah
it's based on how good you are at the like subject math and chemistry and biology. Like I was not very good enough to be the general doctor, so
Yeah.
I choose to be a pharmacy student.
what
Yeah.
is your major
General doctor.
general doctor so why did you choose general doctor why did you choose that
Actually, I didn't choose. My parents make it for me.
really
Yep,
So-
my parents did make it for me because I don't like at that time I didn't know what to follow.
yeah. Okay, so why did you choose pharmacy?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yes. I think my family and especially is my mother want me to do that.
Yeah, your family want you to be a doctor, right?
Yes.
So why did you choose general medicine?
And at first I didn't like
Yeah.
to study medicine.
Then
I came here because my parents wanted me.
Okay.
It wanted me get in here.
I think I have many reasons to say
Yeah.
about. First of all, I think that because my grandma is a doctor, is very
Yeah.
really good doctor. Right now, she is about 75 and
Yeah.
still be a doctor.
Yes.
Still do that her job. So I see it when I grow up, and so when I have a chance to choose what I
Yeah.
learn, what I need to do, so I choose that.
so what subject is the more difficult for you?
Absolutely, the chemistry.
Chemistry.
Yes, I have to, learn chemistry for the first 3
Yeah.
years, and that's
After that?
not very good experience. Not for me.
The pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
The pharmacy. The name of the medicine and
Yeah.
and how to use it and have to follow the
Yeah.
direction.
For sure.
Yeah, that's
But-
the most.
Yeah, but
Oh, I think the pharmacy.
pharmacy.
It's really hard to remember all this.
Yeah. So what subject do you like most?
At the time, at the moment, I
Yeah.
like English.
English? Why English?
And then like pharmaceutical.
So what are you going to do after your graduation? To be an English
I'm
teacher?
not sure about my
Or-
plan now. I'm not sure, and so I can't speak it out now.
So, like, how much salary do you need after your graduation?
I think I expected that to be enough for me to pay for my living,
Yeah.
and then buy some gifts for my parents and lovers.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
So like in your view, so which are the three most important qualities that a doctor needs to have? Three most important qualities.
Yeah, three important qualities for a good doctor.
Yeah, doctor
So I
needs
think
to have.
so. I think it must be a heart. The doctor need a heart. Okay. The second thing, they have to be well educated.
Yeah, well educated.
Well studied learner,
Mhm.
and well practitioner.
Yeah.
And the third one,
Could be.
they have the health. Yeah.
Let me-
Hardworking.
Yeah,
and,
hardworking
is,
and
honestly
Mhm.
and generous.
Yeah. Also, my last question is, like in your view, do you think medical students are working a lot harder than the other?
Yeah, so I think so.
Really?
Yeah, because they are working many time, many hour per day. The normal people, normal person,
Yeah.
always work about 8 hours per day, but
That's not for
doctor,
medical students. Yeah.
yeah,
You work
the doctor
harder.
work harder more than
Yeah.
normal person.
And like for you, so which specialist do you want to be?
Which specialist? I
Yeah.
think maybe doing the skincare or
Skincare. Yeah. The
or the plastic
dermatologist.
surgery.
So like how much salary are you looking for after your graduation?
Okay. I'm trying to turning it to dollars around.
$2,000?
Yep.
Is that? Yeah.
$2,000 or $3,000
That's I mean.
at first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can work at the international hospital, right? And
Yeah, but I would try.
So where do you want to work after your graduation?
I want to work for Vinmec.
Vinmec Hospital.
Yeah.
Here?
Vinmec Hospital.
Or in Hanoi?
Not that one. It's not Vinmec. Vinmec is a international hospital of
Yeah, they are
Vingroup.
building. They are building next to.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
okay.
It belongs to
I just,
Vinmec.
but what subject do you like most?
English, of course.
English, of
That's easy. That's very
Okay,
easy
yeah.
in a medical school.
Because
Like-
it's oh yeah. I mean,
I was
yeah.
like, I
No,
don't
it
have
is.
to do anything to
Yeah.
get a nice score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your view. So why do you think English is important to medical students?
Yes, of course. Yeah, sure.
Mhm.
I think
Why?
English is very important for medical students. For the New York in
Yeah.
the future of
Yeah.
work in
International hospital.
international
Yeah.
hospital or international company,
Mm-hmm.
and I can connect with some people, many people in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So where do you want to work after your graduation?
I don't know. Yeah, I think I will choose after I graduated from
okay.
university.
Yeah. Okay. So what subject do you like most?
I like anatomy.
Anatomy? Are you serious? I thought that is the most difficult subject. So what subject is the most difficult for you?
I think it's
That is obstetrics. Yeah,
it's
obstetrics.
obstetric.
Yeah, obstetric. We have obstetric and gynecology is
Science.
that is. So in your view, so do you think English is important to medical students? Why is medical students have to learn English?
about English, I think everybody needs to learn English.
Everybody.
Just
Wow.
because you go out there and you don't know other language, so just use English.
Yeah.
In medicine, because what you read a day,
Yeah.
you can only read Vietnamese book. It's not enough.
Yeah.
It's update
I
not
agree with you.
not fast enough to me.
I
So
agree
I
with you
need
that.
to learn the English and medical English.
Yeah.